Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful restored 1976 BMW R90 with the R100 cylinders. This is BMW's sport standard motorcycle. It has the 1000cc 2-cylinder boxer engine, 5-speed transmission, carbureted. This bike is a clean title California bike. Has 40,256 miles on the odometer. It is fully rebuilt 2,000 miles ago. Everything on the bike is either new or fully rebuilt. New tires, beautiful red paint, 1000cc engine, very clean, runs really well. This beautiful restored BMW is a great deal at only $68.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730-0600.